Hi everyone, I'm Dave Rumsey, certified safety professional, and I want to show you something really important. Here's a smoke detector right here in our own home, and it doesn't work. The light is on, it's green, and it doesn't work. Watch this. I've got a can of smoke. I'm going to spray it. And we're going to wait and see what happens. So, this smoke detector is 11 years old. I just put a brand new battery in it and nothing happens. I push the test button. Nothing happens. Let's try a new smoke detector. Here we go. All right, I've just plugged in the brand new smoke detector that I ordered, and we're gonna test it and see if it works. Here's the smoke. Oh wait, I'm gonna put on my hearing protection because it's gonna be loud. Here we go. So, this smoke detector is brand new. Clearly it works. I'm going to push the test button one more time just to show that it works. All right, in summary, we had a smoke detector in our home that had a green light and it didn't work. Make sure you test them. Get a can of smoke, push the detector button, and change your batteries. It'll make all the difference. Thanks for listening.